Today we are making a beautiful roasted chicken in the Ciao Bella oven. For this recipe, we need one entire whole chicken. This one is around 3.5 pounds, half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of chopped sage, 1 tablespoon of chopped rosemary, some fresh thyme, 1 garlic clove, half a lemon, salt, black pepper, Zerillo extra virgin olive oil, and for the side we can use some carrots and mini heirloom tomatoes. So to start with, we are gonna make the herb butter that we are gonna use to coat the chicken after. So we put in a bowl, in a mixing bowl, we put the butter, half a cup, at room temperature. It is important that it is soft, so it can be easily mixed. Then we put 1 tablespoon sage, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, some fresh thyme, some salt, and another pinch grounded black pepper, and we can start mixing. As you can see, the butter is very soft. This will make the job way easier. One hand, we are not touching the chicken because we are going to use this hand to take all the seasoning. With the other hand, we can touch the chicken. So we can open it, and inside we can season it with some salt, a little bit of fresh sage, some rosemary, some thyme as well. Next, with some paper towel, we are going to pat dry the chicken. Start coating the chicken all the way. Make sure to cover all the chicken. So the remaining butter, you can put it aside. Once the chicken is completely coated with butter, let's take some butcher twine, close the legs, the thighs, like this. Next, we are taking the chicken and move it inside the cast iron. Oops, a little bit of butter. And very important, get a clean cutting board, wash everything a couple of times to be extra safe. As the chicken is going to stay in the oven for around 1 hour, get a good amount of charcoal on the side because that will help to keep the temperature. Don't cook the chicken with a big flame, otherwise it will burn outside and it won't be cooked inside. After around 45 minutes, the chicken is almost ready. As you can see, look how beautiful it is. And we go back inside for around 10 more minutes until we reach the desired temperature. A little tip, especially in those colder days, is as you can see on top of the oven, there is this little valve. We close it, not all the way. In this way, all the heat will stay inside the oven. 10 minutes have passed, so we are going to check the temperature. 165.